Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Blackberry Classic so you can use it with any carrier or country. For this demonstration, I will be using my locked AT&T Blackberry Classic and unlock it so I can use it on my T-Mobile network, but you can use this video as a guide for any carrier. First off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. One of the best and most trusting websites that I use to get all my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com because their prices are unbeatable and their customer service is the best in the market. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. And on the next page, go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is AT&T. Before we continue, we do need the IMEI number of the phone, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once the phone displays the IMEI number, you have to go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, select Get Unlocking Code and that will take you to the final screen where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you the unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because their prices are always the cheapest in the market than any other unlocking website. So once you receive your unlock code from the unlocking company, it's time to unlock your phone. All you have to do is swipe down from the main screen and click on Mobile Network. Once you are in that menu, select SIM card settings, which will then give you the option to unlock your network. And from here, all you have to do is enter in the unlock code that you received from the unlocking company. After submitting the code, a prompt will show up stating that the code was successful. That basically means your phone is permanently unlocked and is ready to go. As you can see here, I am using my AT&T Blackberry Classic on my T-Mobile network. So that's how you unlock your Blackberry Classic. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section and I will respond as soon as possible. This is Ed from TechSource and I'll see you guys next time.